What is up then, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys follow my MKATTACK.co Instagram, you would have seen a car that's featured on there quite a lot, and it's not a Ford Fiesta, which only leaves a Honda Civic. And this Honda Civic belongs to my mate Josh Lightfoot, who's the owner of JL Automotive, who I've probably mentioned 100 times in the past. So this Honda Civic is K-swapped. It's also running a massive turbocharger, and if you saw the promo footage, you'd also know that it shoots massive flames out the bonnet. So today is the day that it's going on the rolling road. Gonna see how much power it makes. I'm literally there just for a good day because I do not want to miss this. So I've got all my camera gear. Just gonna go get as many fire shots as possible because this is gonna be sick. If you watch the footage that I did for Andy and his K20, probably gonna do something quite similar to that. Probably not too much talking, just mainly documenting the day, just getting some really nice footage and seeing how it goes, seeing the progression, any problems or anything like that. So yeah, we're there to document it all, and then in the future when he's got it all ready, because it's on slicks today, so I've just ruined the surprise then. But yeah, it's on slicks today, so we can't actually use it on the main road, but it's gonna be good to be used on the dyno, so bear with it. But we're almost there now, literally just pulling around the corner. I've also got a bit of a surprise as well because I'm a good friend like that, and yeah, should be a good day. So looking forward to bringing you guys along, and let's get it. Where is he? There he is. Look how cute he is. Yeah, this is Mr. JL Automotive. If you don't get your work done by him in Birmingham, you're doing something wrong. Are you ready for today, bro?
Ready as ever, Nick?
No, that's for you, bud.
Oh, thanks, mate. Oi, naughty.
Come on.
Markel with a plug and that,
you already know, bro. So yeah, just waiting for everyone to get here. Gonna get the car loaded onto a flatbed. Is it Leicester, did you say?
Yes, mate.
Taking it down to Leicester and letting it rip. Let's go. then, so I'm just going to record this on my phone because I don't want to get my camera wet, but we're currently at street races now. As you can probably tell, it is very loud inside, hence why I've got these, but absolutely smashed it. It's currently making 440 on just with the turbo, and that's it is, but it gets better because they're using meth as well. So I'm about to step it up again. I'm going to set the camera up again, and let's just go. This is sick. Sick. JL, sick.
Yeah. He's on Nicky Thompson's Swift.
Comes out once every 3 years.
If you sort of 60 foot sat then.
Right then guys, I think we'll end the video there. Made 532 brake horsepower. Shout out to J Automotive. If you know him, you know he's literally the best in Birmingham, and he looks after everyone. So massive shout out to you, mate. You've earned it. But yeah, thank you for bringing me along. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.